taking a video of the view. All this could be yours.
For 1995?
$150 to pretend like you're being incarcerated.
I'm not incarcerated.
Sure feels like it. At least when you're incarcerated, you get food.
And a policy to protect you if you're lucky.
What the hell? I like to look at it like the glass is half full.
Of other people's water.
Yeah. I take it these sheets probably have not been cleaned for a while. Alright. Getting ready for the great unknown. Voila. Shower time.
Shower time.
Actually, it's pretty early in the morning. I've been up since about 7. Whew, hard to see, I know. It's about 8:45 now. Pinky is not a morning person, but she's had to learn to be thanks to jet lag. But it's not bad. The cushions are really comfortable. I question how often the bedding is cleaned, so that made me a little nervous. So I dressed really warm during the night, and you can crank the heat in your room, which I did. I get a little bit freaked out about dirty linens, and I think most people do. But I'm not saying it is, I'm not accusing, I'm just a cautious person. But it's not bad. It's like sleeping in a crib, kind of, because you go back and forth. But it's just inconsistent, so the movement sometimes is faster or slower, or it stops, and so it wakes you up a little bit. So I'm a light sleeper, but if you're a heavy sleeper, I think you'd be okay, you know. And I was. I did get a couple hours of really good sleep. It's about €150 if you take the night train, like I did. And there's no, like, it's straight there, so you don't have to change. And I will say the walls are kind of thin, so be prepared for that. There's a couple kids next door, and it quieted down by about midnight though, so you get a few good hours sleep. So, all in all, not bad. I really hope there's strong coffee up there, but luckily Finland's known for loving coffee, and so is Binky. I appreciate these safety bars so I don't fall out first during the night. It's a long drop. It's an awesome view. It's an amazing view.